Sit up straight. This is something we all have heard growing up. Our parents told us this, our grandparents told us this. We've even said it to our kids. And it's not just about it doesn't really look that attractive when you slouch, which it doesn't. When you sit up straight, there is a sense of confidence that comes from actually sitting up straight and putting your shoulders back. But here's the problem with slouching in general. Besides the fact that it doesn't look so great doing this, so many people have digestive issues, lung issues, asthma, allergies, and when you slouch, you literally compress and you squeeze the blood flow from those vital organs. So if you're having difficulty with digestion and breathing in any way, and you're a sloucher, you must pay attention to sitting up straight so you can breathe better. I mean, even if you just attempted to sit like this for a couple of minutes and try to take a deep breath, it's really hard to take a deep breath when you're slumped over. So what I want to show you today is how you can actually get used to sitting up straight. Because the other thing too is that when people actually have pain in between the shoulder blades or lower back pain, oftentimes a slouched position is more comfortable. And what you have to do is be able to build up the muscles back there so that you can sit up straight, so that you can keep your shoulders back without feeling like you get that achiness if you sit up tall for too long. So one of the things that I want to teach you today is it's simply to roll your shoulders, and then we're going to shrug a little bit. So in order to get your body used to making sure that you're not slumping forward, we're just going to roll our shoulders backwards. And now oftentimes if people are doing shoulder rolls, they'll go like this. I don't like the forward shoulder roll because then when you finish, you're in that slumped position again. So always roll your shoulders behind, because then when you finish, they'll just drop right back into their natural position. And you can do that. Bentley's scratching himself over there. So you can do this all day long if you have tension in the shoulders, if you work on a keyboard, even if you work with your hands or your arms. It's really a great way to keep the shoulder joint nourished and mobile. And then from a strengthening perspective, all I want you to do is just shrug, squeeze, 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 hold that for 3 to 5 seconds and relax. Do that again, shrug, 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 and down, and one more time, shrug, 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 and down. And then the last one is squeezing your shoulder blades together. So if I took my hand and put it in between your shoulder blades, I want you to try to squeeze around my hand. So squeezing, hold it 3 to 5 seconds, relax, squeeze, and relax, and then one more time, and squeeze, and relax. And that's going to help to get this upper part of your shoulder area a little bit stronger. Give it a little bit more endurance in order to be able to help you sit up straight and tall for a longer period of time. The other thing too for your lower back is go ahead and refer back to a video that I did on bird dogging, and that's an exercise that is actually going to help to strengthen up your lower back and your posture muscles down here in the lower part of your spine. But for now, we're focusing today on getting you sitting up taller, making sure that your shoulders are set back and open so that you have the confidence, and you can also have the blood flow and be able to breathe properly and improve your digestion in the process, or at least not make it any worse. All right, I hope that was helpful. Thanks so much for being here as always, and I'll see you on the next one.